Hey guys, this is Emily at Johnson Motors in St. Croix Falls, bringing you a 2021 Buick Enclave Avenir. This is a local one-owner trade-in, smoke-free and accident-free. This vehicle has 50,000 miles on it and features all-wheel drive. Here in the back, you can see it has a nice power liftgate as well as power third-row seats. Makes it nice and quick and easy if you need to load something. Coming around to the back, you can see it has second row captain's chairs as well as heated rear seats. Also has dual sunroofs, one here in the back and one in the front. Coming to the front, you can see it has this nice black leather interior as well as that second sunroof. Coming to the dash, you can see it has some safety features. This vehicle has HD surround vision, rear park aid, blind spot monitor, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. Also has heated and ventilated seats as well as a heated steering wheel, wireless charging. If you're interested in this 2021 Buick Enclave, stop in or give us a call.